personal relationships with your plant substance?
What's the question? And then I'm going to show you how to take a cutting from an existing plant to get it ready, prepared, and ready to grow. I'm super excited to be able to showcase these virtual seminars that we've put together with the blends of the virtual world. And we will be showing you how to integrate a garden by growing it and creating drinks you can put into your bar. My name is Sam Egerton, and welcome to Growing Drinks in the Modern Bar. This wonderful Australian native lemon myrtle, part of sort of indigenous cooking for an extremely long time. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of that root kind of growing through.
Try to give love to them. If you give love, they will give love back to you. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna take you through some basic steps to build your own garden and use your own ingredients into your drinks. If something you want me to mention more than before, just go with the flow, okay? I'm currently the bar manager here at Charlie Parker. We are going ahead with this amazing gardening project. We're looking after more than 15,000 of these, and we got all different 26 kind of plants which they supply us flavor and ingredients for our signatures.
Do you like Sam?
No, it doesn't look like it. We might need to head back up onto the path.
You ain't seen nothing!
The drinks that I create are very much driven by seasonality and foraged ingredients, wild ingredients. Getting into that mindset of things having a scarcity, I think is really important when you're approaching the way that you create any drinks.
I think this is going to make a really interesting addition to a wet martini. Integration of a garden into your bar or utilising foraged ingredient is incomparable to a product that is supplied to you.
You need an Egerton. You sure?
That experience is not replicable in any other way, in my opinion. And the connection that you have with that product, and therefore the story that you can tell and the experience you can provide for that guest, is incomparable. Being able to give the guest a connection to the local environment is a pretty awesome thing to be able to do.
Explore your neighborhood, go the less direct route. I think it's incredibly satisfying to learn a little bit each time you go out.
It's been hard, but see it coming through now. All the energy that we put here is being paid. Now we've got all the easy ingredients that we can use into our drink.